In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from your Cash App to a Chime account. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged into the correct account. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings, where you can manage your linked banks, cards, and other payment options. From here, scroll down until you see the Linked Banks section and tap on it. Next, select the option to link a debit card. You'll be prompted with a few choices. Choose the option that says No Card and wait for the page to load completely. Once it's ready, tap Continue to proceed. Now, in the search bar, type in Chime and select it from the list of available banks. You'll be asked to enter your Chime account credentials, including your email address and password, to link your Chime account with Cash App. Make sure you enter the information carefully to avoid any errors. Once your Chime account is successfully linked, you'll receive a confirmation that the connection was successful. After linking your Chime account, go back to the Cash App home screen and tap on the Cash Out button. This option allows you to move money from your Cash App balance to an external account. Select your linked Chime account as the destination and enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check the amount and account details before confirming the transfer. Tap Confirm, and the money will be sent directly to your Chime account, usually within a few minutes. That's it. Sending money from Cash App to Chime is straightforward once your accounts are linked. Remember to ensure your Cash App balance has enough funds before initiating the transfer so that it goes through smoothly. By linking your accounts, you can now easily manage and move your money between Cash App and Chime anytime you need.